everybody, welcome back to a special trip report for ZS Aviation. My name is Zach. I am the founder and creator of this channel. This is a special trip report. I was supposed to be on Jetblue Flight 54 from West Palm Beach to JFK, but that flight got canceled. Unfortunately for me, right now, I was originally supposed to be on a special livery. If you look at the flight radar, this is not mine. It's 704. I was supposed to be on the New York City Police Department livery. Unfortunately, JFK was shut down for over 5 hours last night because of weather. So that plane never left JFK. So my flight was canceled, and JetBlue, I had to call. There was no notice this morning. I called them at 4:50 in the morning, asking them to change my flight, what's going on, and to make things right. So basically, after going through a whole bunch of options, which were absolutely ridiculous, like going to airports like over a couple hundred miles away from my house and my original airport, I finally got on this flight. My flight is from West Palm Beach to Newark. My aircraft is an Airbus A320 with the Blueberries tail, so ew. I think that's the inbound landing now. Not sure. I originally got put at seat. At seat 24B, which is a middle seat in the back of the plane. I'm like, no. So I'm a true member. So they made things right. I'm in seat 5A, even more space. So this is an upgraded flight. This is really gonna be good. So far, my flight, the inbound flight from Boston's on time. I think there's a security issue or something on the inbound. Not sure. I'm probably not gonna film it. So yeah, this is the seat gate C7. This is Delta in JetBlue. So there's a JetBlue plane about to take off. This is American Eagle back there, sitting at the gate, and it's a big storm that's coming. So thank you for watching this trip report. This is a very special one. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
We'll be closely monitoring the size and amount of your carry-on luggage, and we will be enforcing the policy. Your bag must fit in the blue bag sizer here at the gate. Even if it fits on board the aircraft, if it does not fit in the blue bag sizer, you must check that bag to allow space for all customers on board. We will once again be checking any bags that are oversized or if you have too many pieces. One of your pieces must also fit beneath the seat in front of you. If anyone would like to volunteer to check a bag, it is free of charge. Please see us now here at gate C14. This will help us expedite boarding. Once again, if you'd like to check a bag in advance of boarding, this will help us expedite boarding and help us guarantee an on-time departure. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm an egg. I'm gonna hit my bag in like your face. Here, put this. Put here. Yeah, thank you. And now I can get through. That's fine. Just leave it. I got it. Oh, sorry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Can everyone hear me? My name is Emilio. I'm your captain. Welcome aboard. Matt's the first officer. We'll be doing the flying all the way up to Cancun today. One of the planes listening, I'm not sure about the back of the plane, but if you don't want to go to Newark, now's your last chance to get off. Don't everyone raise your hand, okay? We are going to Newark. We have a very short 2-hour and 20-minute flight from takeoff to landing. Once we depart the general area, as you can see, it's some isolated thunderstorms, but we'll be going around them. We just came from Boston. It was a nice smooth ride at 36,000 feet, so I'm expecting the same on the way back there. So I do ask that you're mindful of the seatbelt sign. I will turn it off once we get to our cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. We have an outstanding in-flight crew team, and they're here primarily for your safety first and then your service. If there's anything they can do to make your flight a little more enjoyable, don't hesitate to let them know. We'll get going momentarily. Welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jetblue welcomes you to Newark, where the local time is 3:10 p.m. in the afternoon. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim the gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, please feel free to remain seated after we arrive, so we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit jetblue.com to learn more about our True Blue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all your flights, starting with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Fort Lauderdale-based crew, we want to thank you for flying with us this afternoon. For those of you who called Newark home, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. We hope to see you on a future JetBlue flight. Everybody have a great day.
Guys, don't follow him. Don't follow him. That's not an exit. Do not follow him. Stay on the side, please. Stay right on the side. That's not an exit. Go up to Jetblue or give them to go outside, okay? Keep going straight.
வண்டி வண்டி அரை விட்டுட்டு போய்